with Baking with Benny's. Today we're going to make banana muffins. The first thing we have to do is peel the bananas and mash them. I do not like these squishy bananas. That's pretty gross. Smells like bananas. Let's put them beside and get the dry ingredients started. One 3 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And just salt. Let's give the dry ingredients a mix. Now we gotta add the butter. That doesn't work. Let's try a spoon. The butter is always the problem. We finally got the butter, and now what? Add the sugar. Cream the butter and sugar. It looks great. Now let's add the eggs. First, let's add the sour cream. Let's add those slimy old bananas. Give it a mix. Let's put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Let's get this one last mix. This looks a little boring. Let's put some chocolate chips. All of it? Oh, I just need my help. I didn't mean to do that. Let's film those muffin tins. One tray, but they're ready to go in the oven. These dishes all washed up while they're baking the muffins. 10 minutes left. The recipe came from this cookbook, Company and Muffins. The cookies. They look amazing. We just have to make them cool. Yes, the muffins. Thank you for watching Baking and Benny. See you next time.